Hi, and welcome to a new InsightCM tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can define what it is you're monitoring. First, you need to know the technology that is going to be monitored, then select the hardware and finally configure it in our platform. To add a device, click on the wrench's drop-down menu and select Devices to open the device configuration page. If no devices have been added yet, the page will appear empty. Click the Add button to begin. You will be presented with two options. The first is Create an offline device. Here you can manually specify the hardware's configuration, and this is a useful option to pre-configure your system, even if you don't have the controllers. The other option is to connect to an online device. If your IT department has already assigned an IP to your device, you can either enter it in the text box or click the Browse button to get a list of all the available devices in your network. Let's start with the offline device option first. After clicking the Next button, the new device window will appear. At the top, you'll see a drop-down menu where you need to select the monitoring technology and the controller model. Please note that the same controller can be used for different technologies. Just make sure to choose the correct option for the technology you plan to monitor. The slots section shows which modules can be used. The slot 1 is the closest to the chassis controller, and the largest number will be on the other extreme. Click Next and enter a descriptive name for your controller. This name will be used by InsightCM to reference your hardware. Click Finish, and in the Export Connection File window, select No. At this point, you can begin configuring your system even if you don't have a controller connected. However, to complete the configuration, you'll need to add the IP address. To do this, double-click on the device and go to the Hardware tab. Click on Edit Hardware, enter the IP address, and click the Connect button. This will run a test connection consisting of 4 steps: IP address, verifies if the server can ping the controller, application, checks whether the correct application is deployed on the controller, connection, tests connectivity through port 6343, hardware, ensures the modules installed in the chassis match what the application expects. After clicking OK, the slots will automatically update to display the detected modules. Click OK and do not send the connection information. Then click the Go Back to Devices button to return to the device configuration page and perform a reset connection from the Action menu. While the controller updates, let's go ahead and add an online device. Click again the Add button and select Option 2. And then the Browse button to open a window showing the devices on the subnet. This time, we'll add an EMI device. As before, the test connection confirms that all checks have passed, and InsightCM has detected 3 NI9770 modules installed. Click Next, enter a descriptive name for the device, and select No when prompted for connection information. Let's see how to update the application. Click the Software tab, then select your device and press the Update Application button. The pop-up will show the device type, application version, and the description. As mentioned before, our hardware can monitor different technologies. Please double-check you are deploying the correct application to the chassis. Press OK to start the process. This process may take about 5 to 7 minutes, just enough time to grab a cup of coffee. When the In Progress status changes to Succeeded, click the Devices tab. Go to the Action menu and select Reset Connection to initiate a handshake between the controller and the server, ensuring the configuration is updated. After a couple of minutes, your controller should be ready to go. For more details, check the official documentation or reach out to Cutsforth support. Thanks for watching. See you next time.